Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. This is Oppo A96, and now I'll show you how to bypass Google Family Link on your device on Oppo A96. So firstly, open Settings, click Google, click Manage your Google account, get started, Data and Privacy, scroll down, click Delete your Google account, but not afraid, you will recover it later, and confirm your password. Wait a while, scroll down, click I understand, scroll down, click yes, and delete account. Cool, now go back to the home screen, and now as you can see all my applications were successfully unlocked. So wait a while. All applications appearing on my home screen. That's cool. Now, wait a while. Cool. Now we need to recover our Google account. To do it, open Play Store, click Sign In. Enter your email. And click Next. You will see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. So click Next. Enter a password. Click Next, and now we need to log in into our Google account again. So enter our email. Click Next and enter password. Last time. I agree. Scroll down and click Accept. So cool. As you can see, Google account is working. Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. We can delete parental controls from our device. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.